In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add custom funds to Steam Wallet. Keep in mind that the currency you see depends on your country, and you'll always be charged exactly what you confirm at checkout. Start by opening Steam in a desktop browser like Chrome or Firefox and heading to the Add Funds page. Make sure you are on the official Steam site and that the page has fully loaded so all the buttons and amounts are visible. Next, we'll use the browser's built-in tools to temporarily adjust what the page shows. Right-click one of the existing Add Funds buttons and choose Inspect. This opens the Developer Tools panel. Don't worry, this doesn't hack your account or change Steam's servers. You are only editing the way the page appears in your own browser. And it resets if you refresh. In the Elements panel, look for an attribute that reads data amount say 320 attached to the button you clicked. If you don't see it right away, use the search inside the panel by pressing Ctrl F or Command F and typing data amount to jump to the right spot. Double-click the 320 and replace it with the exact amount you want to add. Like 500 or 550, enter only numbers, no commas, symbols, or extra spaces, and choose an amount that makes sense for your region and currency. The number you type is the total you'll be aiming to add to your wallet. After you've changed the value, click anywhere on the page outside the code panel to let the browser register the edit. Now click that same Add Funds button you inspected. Since you modified the value attached to that button, Steam will carry your custom amount forward. On the checkout page, you should now see your custom total displayed in your local currency. Take a moment to review it carefully. Confirm that the amount matches what you entered and that your payment method and billing details look correct. If anything seems off, go back or refresh to reset the page and try again. When everything is accurate, proceed to complete the payment as you normally would. You'll be charged the exact amount you approved, and those funds will be added to your wallet. If you reload the page at any point, your edit disappears. That's expected. This technique simply helps you choose a custom amount before checkout. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fund your Steam wallet with the exact amount you want.